Hey everybody, Katie here. So I'm really excited this morning. My mom and my sister and I are all going to be taking a trip to the coast of Maine. So this is someplace that my mom has been wanting to go for a really long time. So we decided to make a girls trip of it. So we're going to be coming from LA. My sister's coming from Atlanta, and we're going to meet in Boston. We'll rent a car and we'll drive up the coast of Maine, stopping along, little coastal towns as far as Bar Harbor before we turn around and head back up to Quebec. So I'm really excited. This is going to be one of my first travel vlogs. So if any of you guys do any travel vlogging, please give me tips, because I'm sure there's going to be room for improvement. So I'm all packed and ready to go. I did a previous video on what to bring and how to pack for Europe in a carry-on. So I used a lot of those same tips, like I take a picture of my outfits, put it on my phone, and then I can just refer to that when I get there and I'm on a tight schedule, just so that it makes it really fast and easy to know what I'm going to put on that day. So that's what I did, and if you guys are interested in any of those tips, check that video out also. So just for the plane, I want to be comfy. So this is what I'm wearing. I've got this Vox, I think, Populi t-shirt, I think, and I really like it because it's just kind of drapey, and I love the cap sleeves. I like that angled sleeve, and I like the raw edge, kind of that inside-outside look. And then my red American Eagle jeans. They're very comfortable. So these are my Sperry boat shoes. They have a brushed metallic gold, and I find that they just go with shorts, jeans, maybe a sportier dress. They just go with everything. Okay, so then I have this denim shirt that I'm pretty sure I got at TJ Maxx. It's thread supply. It's just kind of lightweight, but it's a nice temperature for the plane and for when we land in Boston. So last but not least, then I have my Fossil crossbody bag. Super comfortable. It has a lot of compartments in it to make things easy when you're traveling. So that's my outfit, and I hope you guys join me for this adventure. Oh, here we are. We made it to the coast, and we're just driving up Highway 1 and stopping in all these little towns. The first one being Kennebunkport, and that is where I guess the Bushes had a home here. It's beautiful, and I would have liked to have all the conversation in the car and all that stuff, but I didn't want to have, dirty windshield, through my camera, so this is how I chose to do it. Anyway, it's a super cute town. We're just driving through, and then we're headed back up the coast, and we're going to continue on to Portland and Cape Elizabeth. In Cape Elizabeth, and this nice lady gave us a tour. There's the coast right there, and all her family lives right in this little area. That's her son's house, cousin's house, and all right here on this beautiful coast. He said that sometimes, the lady that gave us the tour said that sometimes in a storm, these boulders blow all the way up to their porch. So that is a crazy thing. We're gonna head over to a lighthouse and check that out. It's supposed to be one of the most beautiful lighthouses in Maine, right? Here's my sister. Say hi. Hi. Here's just a really cute example of some of the colorful gardens they have up here at Cape Elizabeth. So the lady that gave us the tour said we should try this place, the Lobster Shack, and we had a really fun lunch here. Everybody, so here we are in Portland, Maine, and we are going to be touring Portland Head Lighthouse, and that is right here. And this is the rocky coast of Portland, Maine. Just a beautiful place. So this rock here looks like shale, we think. We were talking about how this isn't like the California rock that we're used to, that kind of crumbles. You're trying to get out.
Okay, that's good.
There's the lighthouse. So dramatic. Here we are, there's food and we are inside Becky's dining room in Portland, Maine. And my sister was telling me about this case that we have over here.
With Maine Delight.
You were saying you don't normally
see a pastry case anymore. Yeah, that's only a local tradition.
Yeah, it's a local thing right here. This is the bakery case here. Maine blueberry with cream cheese frosting. And this is a Maine thing also, the whoopie pie. Yeah.
Sitting, split an elbow.
Everything looks so delicious here.
T4, yeah.
We're here in Old Port, checking out what's down here. Wonder why that's here.
This is a piece of the Berlin Wall.
I know, but why is it here in Portland? Because. We're not sure. We were just having a debate on what these locks were and what they symbolized, and apparently it symbolizes love. And people buy their padlock, they put their names on it, and they either toss it into the river or they attach it to this wall, and their love is locked forever. Taste of Maine. So here's a little glimpse into this historic town and its ship captains' mansions. Guys, so this morning we're going to be going to Bar Harbor and touring around, and we're going to take the Acadia bus tour and also do the Bar Harbor nature and lighthouse cruise on the water. So I know sometimes I like to see what people are going to wear and what outfits they're going to choose, so I thought I'd share mine. Start with the shoes. They're super comfortable, that's why I picked them. They're Adrian Vittini, and they're just really flexible, and they're not like a regular sandal just because there's a lot more straps, so they're a little warmer. And then my Joe's jeans. I love these jeans. They are the most comfortable jeans I own. And they just go with everything, of course. My hoodie is from Target. Love this hoodie. It's comfortable, and it's got a hood, so if it gets cold on the boat, I will just be doing that. My jacket is sleeveless down, 32 degrees heat, so if it gets cold, I'll be putting that on. So we're here in Bar Harbor this morning, and we're headed over here to the Coffee Hound for breakfast. Been told that that was a really good place, so we're gonna go check that out. And there's the harbor. Beautiful, beautiful morning. It's a super cute place, and I like it. So here's a sample of their what they've got for the road, because there's all these tours that you can take. We're going to go on a bus tour, so you can take a traveling blueberry pie here.
It's not plastic.
These are all ready to go.
Oh, you're a good man.
And what were you saying?
So all of our straws are now corn. Our plastic cups for ice drinks are all corn. So there's no plastic actually to this. All of our silverware has gone to wood instead of plastic. So our knives, our forks,
great.
They're all wood. Our coffee cups are recyclable, meaning they don't have a plastic liner like a lot of companies. They can use a recycled cup, but they don't. You can't recycle the cup.
Great.
So you can
I love it. It's such a cute presentation.
You can get them on Amazon.
So Bar Harbor's a bustling little town. Busy, it's pretty early here, but they have all sorts of tours. We're going to be taking the bus tour in Acadia National Park, and then we're going to be out there on the water taking a boat tour in the afternoon. So, really fun little place. So here's one of the things that Maine is known for sure. Maine wild blueberries, and they're just blossoming here. Tiny, tiny. Oh yeah, you can smell it. It just came out of the oven. So this is a really cute place here. I've heard about this. Getty's Down Under. Cool stuff. They have all these license plates, I guess. And cute little place. It's an old town. Narrow passageways and stuff. Very cute. Go down the steps. It's a shop. So we decided to take the Bar Harbor boat cruise, and there's lots to see on this cruise. There are mansions and lighthouses and wildlife. There's also Sand Beach and Thunder Mountain. If you love the outdoors and activity, this is definitely a place for you. There's hiking, rock climbing, kayaking, tons of stuff to see and do. Here in Bar Harbor this morning and just taking a walk along the town and learning what it's about. Their big thing is blueberries, lobster, conservationism, and moose. And Artisans, Bar Harbor. If you aren't really the active type, Bar Harbor is still a very vibrant place full of galleries, shops, breweries, and lobster shacks around every corner. This morning we're going to be heading back down to Boston so that we can turn around and go to Quebec, but we're leaving Bar Harbor this morning. So the people of Maine, they've just left us with a really sweet feeling. They're kind, they're friendly, they're helpful, and they're serious about conservationism. And when you come to this beautiful state, you'll see why. They're very patriotic, and they love their blueberries and their lobsters, and why not? So the one thing I didn't get to try was the whoopie pie. And so if any of you guys have tried that, let me know in the comments below. How does it taste? I was too busy eating blueberry pastries. So hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I've really enjoyed doing it. And please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Okay, thanks a lot. See you guys on the next adventure.